We are ready for every challenge. The resolve of Pakistan's armed forces. Pakistan's history stands as a witness that whenever this great nation faced any test, threat, or challenge, its armed forces, with faith, courage, and determination, stood firm and victorious. Today, once again, the Pakistan Army, Air Force, and Navy are united in one powerful message. We are ready for every challenge. I want every Pakistani, from the mountains of Gilgit to the deserts of Thar, from the fields of Punjab to the shores of Gwadar, to know that your army stands with you, for you, and because of you. We are not separate from you. We are your sons, your brothers, and your protectors. When you sleep peacefully at night, know that your soldiers guard the borders under the open sky, with hearts full of faith and eyes wide awake in love for this land. Pakistan is not just a country. It is a trust, a sacred amanat given to us by Allah. We shall protect it with honesty, faith, and courage. Challenges may come from outside or within, but remember, no storm can shake a nation whose foundation is built on La ilaha illallah. Our strength lies not in weapons, but in unity, discipline, and faith. Together we can defeat every enemy, overcome every hardship, and rise higher as one proud nation. To our youth, I say, you are the guardians of tomorrow. Never lose hope. Never doubt the power of your dreams. Believe in Pakistan, for it is your future, your identity, your honor. May Allah protect our beautiful homeland, and may He bless the people of Pakistan with peace, prosperity, and pride. Pakistan Zindabad. Under the leadership of Chief of Army Staff General Syed Asim Munir Shah, Chief of Air Staff Air Chief Marshal ظاہر Ahmad Babar Sidhu, and Chief of Naval Staff Admiral Mohammad Naveed Ashraf. Pakistan's defense stands stronger, sharper, and more resilient than ever. General Syed Asim Munir Shah, with his vision of a strong, corruption-free, and united Pakistan, has reignited the spirit of discipline and national pride within the ranks of the Pakistan Army. Under his command, the Army continues to safeguard borders, fight terrorism, and serve the people in times of natural disasters and national need. His words, "We make decisions only in the interest of Pakistan, without fear or favor," echo the unwavering resolve of a true soldier of Islam and the homeland. Meanwhile, Air Chief Marshal ظاہر Ahmad Babar Sidhu has transformed the Pakistan Air Force into a modern, technologically advanced force ready to defend the nation's skies. From integrating drone defense systems to developing indigenous aircraft technology, the PAF continues to prove that the guardians of Pakistan's airspace are vigilant and prepared. His powerful statement, "Our skies are safe because our guardians never sleep," reflects the spirit of unmatched dedication. On the maritime front, Admiral Mohammad Naveed Ashraf, Chief of Naval Staff, leads the Pakistan Navy with excellence, ensuring the safety of sea borders and the protection of vital trade routes in the Arabian Sea. The Navy's role in defense, international cooperation, and humanitarian missions highlights its commitment to national and global peace. Admiral Ashraf's message, "The sea is our lifeline, and we guard it with our lives," perfectly defines the valor of Pakistan's sailors. Together, the three branches of the Pakistan Armed Forces send one united message to friend and foe alike. We are ready for every challenge, every enemy, every trial to defend our beloved homeland. This unity of faith, discipline, and sacrifice has made Pakistan's defense one of the strongest in the world. From combating terrorism to maintaining peacekeeping missions abroad, and from securing borders to helping citizens in crisis, Pakistan's armed forces have always proven themselves as the pride of the nation. As long as these brave men and women stand guard, Pakistan's sovereignty remains untouchable. Their courage assures every citizen that we are Pakistanis, we are the defenders of our homeland, and we are ready for every challenge.